everyone, welcome to Fish Hook. I'm Charles. Today's episode, we want to do a little twist. No cooking, but we're going to make a homemade tartar sauce. There's been requests for that. So I want you to come a little closer. I'll show you all the ingredients. We'll mix it up, and then we're going to test it out. To make this homemade tartar sauce, we're going to have mayo, sliced dill, pickles, some capers that are drained, sweet relish, Dijon mustard, minced onion, and a little bit of parsley. So we'll get started right now chopping up a little bit of parsley, and the amounts will be in the recipe provided in the links below. So be looking for that. Okay, we've got our mayo we're going to put in now. We've got capers. And then we have some Dijon mustard. And we have minced yellow onion. Some pickle relish. And we have some mint dill pickle. We're going to mince it up. Just a little bit of that. We're going to try to mince it up as fine as we can. That, and I believe we have everything. We'll just mix it up. And we'll come back and then we'll give it a taste, and we'll go from there, and we'll see just how good this is. Well, guys, we let the tartar sauce cure in the refrigerator for well over an hour to make sure everything gets to where it needs to be. So in the meantime, we got some fish sticks, and we're going to pull them out of the oven. What's better on fish sticks than tartar sauce? So I got my wife here, and she's going to join me in chopping this down.
Elaborate dinner tonight.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Well, it's time to take the fish sticks out of the oven. There we go. Fish sticks. Mighty hot. And the test is here. We're going to dip these fish sticks in the tartar sauce, and both of us are going to do it, and we'll give an honest review if it's good or bad. It's time to dig in. So, hun, I'm going to let you be first.
Okay.
Try
Let me
it.
try this. I'm going to dip it in the tartar sauce Charlie made. Mmm.
Right, you're gonna, okay.
Tastes fantastic. Crunchy fish sticks. I taste the sweetness of the relish and the creaminess of the mayonnaise. It tastes great.
Excellent.
I love this.
All right.
Wow.
Here we go. I like a homemade tartar sauce.
Good.
Delicious.
Excellent.
Oh yeah. Can you eat this
Another
one?
excellent dish by Charlie. That's great.
Well, we do the best we can.
Yes.
Well, this recipe really turned out good. Homemade tartar sauce. Fish sticks are probably the best thing you want to have with homemade tartar sauce, but any kind of good fried fish or lightly battered fish, oh man, this hits the spot. Anyway, folks, thank you for taking the time out again to look at this quick video on how to make homemade tartar sauce. Your time is valuable to you. We certainly appreciate it. And we need you to, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Share the channel with other people. We would really appreciate that. And until we do it on the next one, God bless you.